Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Spotify playing random songs. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Spotify. Click on that. So the first step you simply need to update your Spotify application. As you can see, my Spotify is up to date. Then you simply need to go back, open your smartphone settings, go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Spotify. Click on that. The first step you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again, and you need to simply open Spotify and your issue will be resolved. But let's suppose you're still facing an issue, you simply need to turn off this shuffle. But to turn off your shuffle you simply need a premium that you can subscribe for the Spotify. Here you can see that, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.